couple of questions. However, this topic wouldn't be complete without some answers to the following questions. First one, if a person who's fasting eats or drinks during the fast, unintentionally, does this break his or her fast?
When a person drinks or eats unintentionally because of forgetfulness, it does not break the fast. And this normally happens mainly in the first few days of the month of Ramadan. A person is used to his daily activity and suddenly Ramadan comes, so unintentionally he may go to the kitchen or he may pick up a bottle of water and pour it in the glass and have it. A person goes jogging and he comes back and he's used to having water. So it does happen. So based on the hadith of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1933, the beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that anyone who eats or drinks unintentionally, he has to complete the fast in the day. The fast is not broken, and whatever he has eaten or drunk, Allah has provided him with that. So if you drink unintentionally, the fast is not broken. But if you drink intentionally, then it is broken. And while drinking, if you realize, or while eating you realize, immediately you should stop, because then if you continue, it will be counted as though you're having it with intention. The moment you realize, you should stop it. And if there's some food in the mouth and you realize you're fasting, you should spit it out. But unintentionally, whatever is done, it is forgiven.